The ungrateful stag. A prince went hunting in the forest with his men. While riding in the forest, they spotted a stag. The prince said to his huntsmen, "I want that stag's head to adorn the walls of my palace." The huntsmen and the prince chased the stag on their horses. The stag was too fast for them. After running a while, the stag saw some trees that were covered with vines. "They cannot find me here," he thought, and it hid behind the trees. Soon the prince and his huntsmen reached the spot, but they couldn't find the stag and retreated. "Now I am safe," thought the stag, and began munching on the vines. One of the huntsmen had stayed back looking for the stag. When he heard the rustling of leaves, he followed the sound and shot the stag. The huntsman said, "You harmed yourself by harming the plant that gave you shelter." Father Hawk falls sick. A hawk family lived on a tall tree. Father Hawk and Mother Hawk would search for food and bring to the nest. Then they would share it with the baby hawk. While Mother Hawk would search for food in forests and farms, Father Hawk had a habit of stealing food that was offered to gods in the temple. Every day he would fly to various temples and steal food items that were meant for the gods. One day, Father Hawk fell sick. As he lay dying, his younger son said to him, "Father, I am praying to God to spare your life." Father Hawk replied, "Dear son, which God will take pity on me? I have been stealing the very offerings that were meant for the God. I repent my actions, but it is too late. Feeling sorry on the deathbed is not enough after leading a life full of sins." The Untrustworthy Friend. There was a hare in a forest. He made friends with a wild dog. The dog would meet the hare every day, and they would play until dusk. One day, while they were playing, the wild dog bit the hare very hard on his leg. The hare screamed out in pain. He thought he would die that instant. Just then, the dog started licking the hare's wound. The hare was taken aback by this action. He said, "When I was playing with you, you bit me hard. When I screamed in pain, you began licking my wound. What does this mean?" The wild dog did not answer. The hare said, "If you don't want my friendship, let us part ways peacefully. It's better than being friends and causing pain to each other without any reason." The dog stared blankly at the hare. An untrustworthy friend is worse than an enemy. Two foolish monkeys. Once in a forest, it rained very heavily for several days. Two monkeys had climbed up to the treetops to save themselves. When the rain stopped, they looked down at the fish swimming in the water below. One monkey said, "The fish are going to be drowned." Soon the other monkey had lifted the fish out of the water and put them carefully on dry land. Then the first monkey said, "They were tired, so they are sleeping." The second monkey said, "When they wake up, they will be very grateful." The foolish monkeys never knew that the fish were all dead.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.